Can I request everybody to rise up on your feet once again? Thank you, respected dignitaries, for that. Now I would like to, welcome both of the dignitaries come over to the dais one more time. We have a small gratitude for you.
Thank you, sir, for accepting our token of gratitude. It is my privilege today to welcome the respected dignitaries once again. I now request Dr. Balakeshwar Ramaya, our ever youthful, knowledgeable, devoted HOD of pharmacy practice, to now give us a welcome speech.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. Good noon to all. This day has become very special to us because we are in a new environment, new place, and even in this difficult situations, it's all the efforts of the students made up their mind to happen this event at such a wonderful way. So first of all, I'd like to welcome the invisible spectators of the event who are all on the virtual. So dear students, family, their parents, and the staff from Karnataka College of Pharmacy, and everyone who are watching virtually, I welcome you all for giving your time to watch this wonderful event and making this the virtual stream a successful. So I welcome you all once again. The next is our students. So it's just an emotional way that so one way it is such a wonderful batch we had. So the day of graduation, whether it has to be a way of celebration or the other way is like we may not get such a wonderful batch again. So I welcome all the 60 years of family students, and I welcome Sir, Director Sir. Imesh Sir has given a lot of support to us when we asked about doing these programs. So I welcome you, sir. And also welcome all the other people who are here, who helped us to make this event going on well right now. So very importantly, just want to talk a little bit, 1 or 2 minutes of these wonderful shining stars. Okay, so I can talk about this. So they came here at 2015, I feel, and they were talking about the same venue they started their classes, and so special that they are graduating at the same place here. Such a wonderful thing. See, other very important thing I just want to emphasize on this batch was a lot of innovation and the initiatives. So, the innovations and the initiatives what I observed this batch, the innovation in the sense like they were so eager to learn. I don't know where they got the energy. So one special thing is the energy they had, so and the enthusiasm to learn. So when they were in even second Form D, third Form D, they used to put the stethoscope and watch so freely. I was so all this Form D, they're wearing stethoscopes. Looks like and they were not even afraid or not even any hesitant. They were having the stethoscope and going. So initially I also got whatever these people are doing, but later on they went so easily, and I think they deserve it also. So even we used to force students to be in the wards, but for this batch we used to force them to go out of the wards. Even we have warned so many times, the department works only up to 4 o'clock, and the students were there up to 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So they were using the medical library and all those things. So when we got so much of this one that your student stays even after the timing of the department. So that's the zeal you had actually this batch. So we'll give a great applause for yourself. And another very special things I just want to highlight on this batch is you had so much of the initiative, innovative, the creative. So a lot of people from cinematography, arts, you did a lot of even short films, okay, and lot of even the cultural activities and all these things. So really it's an amazing batch what I have observed all these days. So thank you for giving this opportunity. So I wish you all a better future. Okay, so another thing just is this profession, farming profession is not like any other profession. It's such a wonderful profession. It teaches you a lot of things apart from what the knowledge you gain. It teaches how you cope up with it's a social responsibility you have all now. So you have been graduated pharmacy doctors. You have the responsibility of keeping the society healthy. So that's the one very important message I want to tell you in the future. In the future you maybe go to any stream or any specializations, you may continue education or do some business or go for a job, whatever you do. So first of all, be human being. So humanity is very, very important in your life, and be healthy. Health is another important aspect, and take care of your family. These three things is one of the very important after your completion of your course. And the responsibility increases, you are not no more kids. Okay, so the life is different, so it makes you exposed to a lot of risks. So wish you all the very best, and hope you all will win and achieve the goal in your life. And another thing is this course, not only we have a lot of cultural things which teach us, I think such a wonderful cultural mix up here, I think linguistic, and so much you learn within that. And hope a lot of you may choose life partners also in the batch. So because it's a 5 years, 6 years long, so pharmacy has given a lot of pharmacy pairs. So maybe some of you also may be having such opportunities. Okay, so thank you. So all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your lovely speech. You are the only HOD who has encouraged us to find our life partners in the same batch.
So now what we are going to do is we have some very fun and interesting programs for you guys now. So we have a small technical issue. So before that, moving into the official ceremony, we are going to play a small video for all of you. Okay. So we have many people who wish to come and join you guys physically today, but they were not able to join, okay, because of the restrictions and everything. So they have sent their wishes, okay, and now we will be playing a small video in which you can see the wishes that they have got for you guys.
Hi seniors, my deepest apologies for not being able to make it there today, but I really hope you have a wonderful time. All the warmest thoughts and all the hope in the world for all your future endeavors and career plans. And thank you very much for all the help and guidance over the years and maybe in the future too. Thank you very much.
Hope all are doing good. It is our honor as juniors to get the opportunity to learn from you, to work with you, that we are happy for other new endeavor towards success. Best of luck for your future seniors. All the best, seniors.
This is Shilpi from 5th PharmD and I want to congratulate you all. So warmest congratulations on your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure.
Hello students, you're finally getting graduated. Congratulations on that. You were such a bright and cheerful people. I always enjoyed having you around. You're such enthusiastic and motivated that I'm certain your love for learning will take you to greater heights in life. Thank you for being such a diligent batch. You will surely be missed. Wherever you go, always remember to be a reason someone believes in the goodness of people. My best wishes to you all. Thank you.
Congratulations, PharmD graduates. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Rise, shine and spread the word of health service to the humanity.
Hi my dear students. I am very proud that I got a chance to teach you. I taught you continuously for 2 years. I know you all are very talented, you are very active and brave students. Always keep this spirit. Your hard work, your preparation and your efforts and your determination decides your future. So always be determined on what you want. You all will always be there in our prayers and I wish all the success in your life. Wish you all the best. Love you all. Thank you.
I always remember the phrase, be the change that you wish to see the world. I'm astonished to talk about our 6th PharmD students. They have shown enormous energy, zeal and enthusiasm in both academics and extracurricular activities. They have brought new initiatives to our department and this batch is unique and agglomerated with lot of talents. Every end has a new beginning. Congratulations dear students. I am very proud to be here today to call you as pharmacy doctors for your future. Thank you.
incited some memories and made you smile or made you feel a bit emotional. Because this day is all about you. It is because of you we have this event. You are the champions, you are the stars of the show. Now, due to some technical issues, we need some time to rewire our audios. So if you could cooperate with us, that would be great. And sorry for the inconvenience, dignitaries. As a junior, I would like to share my experience. This is very unprepared, so if it's bad, I mean, you have to deal with it. So, of course, you all have been very close to us. During culturals, we've had our riffs. I mean, Shri Priya would know that more than anyone else. Sharad, for short film, he's taught us so much, you all have taught us so much to be good seniors. So, leaving us puts a lot of pressure on us, because you have been extremely good and set the standards up high. So like Bala sir said, we have learned, Bala sir has said he has learned so much from this batch. He has expected so less, but you have delivered so much more. So we are obliged and obligated to deliver that or more. So thank you guys for setting the bars very high. We will call you if we need any help. Please help us. Yeah. So I would also like to thank the foreigners. You have brought so much culture into the classrooms with your dance and the way you talk, the things you all say. There's a new perspective to the classroom. This we have not experienced anywhere else in our schooling or in our pre-university. So this is a very great opportunity for us to grow and build a world view and outlook on how cultures work and how we need to coexist, without being destructive to each other, because you know what's happening in the world right now. So this is a great example for all of us. I think all the colleges, we set a great example. We are on all the top charts. We are in the top 10. We are in the state rank. Everything, we are up there, So we will aim higher because of you. You are an inspiration. I would also like to thank the people who I've never seen before, because I'm an introvert basically, and I don't mingle much, but you have come up to me and spoken to me, and that has made me feel very warm. Coming to college is not something that someone has imposed on me. I come to college because I enjoy it, and it is only because of you seniors. We are going to miss winning the culturals every time, because as you know, we are born champions. Yes, and also for sports, we always lose for sports, but now I think, you know what the condition will be. When you guys go, sports would not be a Farmdy thing, would probably be a B Farm thing, but it's okay, we'll still emerge champions. I hope the audio is fixed. Is it? Okay.
Yeah, okay. So now for the time being, what we are going to do is we are going to have a fun activity for you guys, okay? So we have a very interesting person amidst us, okay? So she is our game master for the day, okay? And she is gonna break the ice today and she has come with a very interesting icebreaker for you guys. So all she needs is just a round of applause from you guys, okay? So yeah. So right now, I would like to call Adira Krishnan onto the dais. Welcome, Adira Krishnan.
Good afternoon, dear friends, dear seniors and dignitaries. So, I won't take much of your time. It's hardly around 10 or 15 minutes. Then I hope you won't get bored. And the disclaimer is, I won't ask everyone, like 4 people, to come on this dais and then perform this game. It will be like where you are sitting, you can do this. The thing is, one of our friends will bring the mic to you. You have to raise your hand if you know the answer. So, before each game starts, I'll explain how it is played. First one, we'll have 2 demos so that you will be familiar like how to raise your hand and then how you can answer, so it will not be awarded any prize or gift. From the third one, we'll have this. So the thing is, first game is you have to guess who it is. So first game is you have to guess who it is. First two is demo, so it is not your classmates. The next one, the third one onwards, it will be your classmates. So you have to guess them, and who will guess, and they will get prize.
Camera battery.
First one, any guesses?
Please raise your hand.
No mass answering, no prompting.
Remove that.
Sharat says it's Tom.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. The next one. Second one. This is also a demo, okay? You have to answer, but you won't be awarded any prize. No prompting, no prompting. Because next onwards you'll be getting gifts, and you have to raise your hand, and then first person first.
It's our time to boss over now. Please raise your hands.
Okay, next one, we'll have a serious game. So, you have to raise your hand. First person who will raise your hand will have to answer. First one. Yes. He answered.
Shrikant answered Aziz. Aziz.
Okay, your gift is ready. So next one. Any guesses?
Rubaina said Vinushree.
Yeah.
It was a mass answer.
Okay. So this guess who finishes here. So next game is what do you remember? We'll have few pictures here. So who will remember the most will be awarded. It will be shown for around 3 seconds or so. You have to remember. It's like picture memory. Who will remember the most number of objects shown will be awarded. Who's ready to answer?
Aeroplane, bicycle, coffee, question mark. Soft drink.
Dr. Lida Halimi.
Thank you. And next up, I would like to welcome Dr. Roshan Yadav. Next up, I would like to welcome Dr. Ali Riza Amal Mehrabi.
Dr. Shakiba Khaze.
Guys, your clapping sounds so dead, guys. This is not something which we earned overnight. This is a 6 years hard effort, right? So give all your energy to the clapping also.
Dr. Pratyush.
Next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Abul Fasl Mehran. I would like to welcome Dr. Vinishri over to the stage. Thank you. And next, I would like to welcome Dr. Hamid Khewani over to the stage. Next, I would like to call upon Dr. Jarish Varghese over to the stage. Next, I would like to welcome upon Dr. Sara Jafari Ranba over to the stage. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Mariam Ghafoori Nehzad over to the stage.
Excellence is a great result of always striving to do better. On that note, I call upon Dr. Ramesh and Dr. Balakeshwar to award the distinction holders of graduating batch 2021.
So, first up, we have Dr. Rubena. I request Dr. Rubena to come over to the stage and dignitaries to welcome her.
I now invite Dr. Sri Priya to come onto the stage.
Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Shweta over to the dais.
Next up, I would like to invite Dr. Vinushree to come onto the dais.
Next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Gayatri to come over to this dais.
I would like to invite Dr. Srikant to join us on stage.
And next, I would like to call upon Dr. Sharath over to the dais.
Pratyush to join us on stage.
Thank you. And next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Charish over to the dais.
Dr. Pashupati, please join us on stage.
Next, I would like to invite Dr. Govind Singh over to the stage. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Mohammed over to the dais.
Thank you, dignitaries, for your presence. Doctor, I now welcome a God-fearing man with rich experience in educating and motivating young minds to lead by faith and not by sight. Dr. Ramesh, please deliver a few words to the graduates.
Good afternoon. I have noted some points here when I was sitting there. So first of all, I congratulate all the graduates. So really it is a great journey for you, all these 6 years. So I'm so happy finally, have come to a place where you can go to the world and do your best for the society. Okay. So to start with, they said prayer song is a prayer song or prayer music. See, always through that I am going to speak something. Words carries a value. Okay. Please remember, your words can create your future. So I strongly believe God created everything by saying it, declaring it. So my first suggestion is, words are very important. It creates. So I can give a simple example. Somebody, came to my room to something. Suppose I scolded him nicely in the morning, that created a situation for you all the day. You will be sad, or definitely for a quiet time it will affect, right? You are in a good mood, somebody said a bad word. What it means, by saying a bad word, you have created a different emotion in that person, and it affects his entire day. Sometimes that words may affect entire life also. So my first suggestion, whenever you use a word, because God has given a great power and authority in our words. Speak always good. Don't even speak negative when you are in frustration also. Don't say I am useless, I am not good for nothing. All these, don't use any negative words. Even in the frustration, use good words. Okay? Suppose you have lost in an interview, suppose you didn't get a job. Thank God, I will get a better job. This is not fit to me. That's why I didn't get. That's how you have to move. So use your words. When next time when prayer song, don't play prayer music, because songs affects, words affects. Okay, I think that is the reason all the technical problem came, I believe. It's not properly invocated, God has not invocated. So music, that's one thing. Okay. Second thing, I think the title of this room is the Naga.
Naga was earlier, sir, not Varun.
Okay, previously Naga. They are familiar with Naga. Okay, yeah. See, everything God speaks prophetically. So I believe in a prophetic, right? God speaks to the people. So when they say they started their first class or something in this room, right? Naga, and then they are getting the graduation in the same very room. And Naga means snake. Am I correct? Naga is a snake. And snake is the sharpest animal and wisest animal on planet Earth. It's the very sharpest and wisest, and it represents some knowledge and good secret knowledge and wisdom. Because of that snake wisdom, they deceived humans. So it's a sharpest. So I declare and I believe. So it's that God speaking to you that this batch is going to be the sharpest and wisest, and you will be wise people in your life. Whenever you take a decision, it's a prophetic. You started Naga and ending with the Naga. It's the snake, wisest and sharpest animal on earth. So I believe that this batch, and it proved, right? All as Dr. Balakesh was admiring you, you are best in culturals, best these, creativity. That means you have a talent. You are really in that line. Okay, but don't deceive the people, right? Use for good. See, wisdom and knowledge can be used for good and as well as bad. So the choice are always there for us. You have to choose the right choice. So you will be in right perspective. So that should be the thing. And Balakesh also advised nice advice, no? So because he did it, that's why he can boldly advise. Okay, it's far better than dating, in the Western culture, and all this. I think I can't say anything on that. But being a director, so it's always nothing wrong in that. That's I support that. So no problem. But don't make any issues here, okay? This thing, yeah. Maybe I think as a director, so many times I am very tough to you people. I should be like that, otherwise things will not happen. Especially foreigners. With foreigners, I am very much tough. I know that because I don't have any discrimination. By the way, God is my witness. God is my witness. If I really have a discrimination, let God punish us. I don't have any discrimination. Discrimination is it's the evilest character. That's why people are struggling, discriminating themselves with caste in India, community and racism, Black Lives Matters. I don't know, I have not seen any black fellow, grey one, This is very, nobody is black. I don't know who brought that word Black Lives Matters. Nobody look black, you can't see, no. This is a demonic, I can say. There is nothing black or white or grey or red or we are all human beings. So God created us in His mastermind. Everyone is unique. Okay, so I don't have any discrimination. But what I mean to say, maybe I just admit I am tough. I should be tough. Otherwise, I can't make my administration. Right? Sometimes my kids, my wife, sometimes comes my chamber, they see me, what this fellow is like this. House I am entirely different. Okay, so as a preacher I am different. I have to play different roles. I should be a father in the house. I cannot be a director in the house. I should be a director in there. And if you meet me in outside, you will enjoy that. Okay, so I behave like anybody else, just like a friend. That's my nature, and I advise that kind of nature. Okay, don't be always in one mood. So you are in a professional, you be professional. When you are in exams, you should be like that. Likewise, when you are outside with your family, be like a normal guy. Don't act like a doctor there. So all these things. Maybe these are some thoughts came into my mind. So and many times they say we are in tough time. We are what time? Uncertain time. By the way, good news for you, uncertain time is certain even in future. I am telling you, the world is moving such a way into the evil direction, the selfish motives, a lot of flesh desires and demonic in nature. All the fellows want to control the whole world. So I don't have time to talk all these corona, how it was created, spiritually what it means. But one thing I can say, we are in a perilous times, and this uncertainty is certainty because we have the season is changed. The entire perspective of the human nature is changed. So always we see these things. So better not to bother about uncertain or certain. I can assure you, when you move with your consciousness, and have a clear vision. Clear vision. You must have a goal, short-term goals. And I have my short-term goals. I have my long-term goals. My long-term goal, I don't say. You will laugh. Okay, so better not to say. So I have a goal. So when you have a goal, set up a goals and target, and you will be successful. So being a health professional is very, very important, because you are dealing with the human life. So you are definitely, we are of course all health professionals always top priority. In our Indian culture, we are next to almost like God. We consider, of course in everywhere, because we are saving the lives. So be a good professional, all the time joyful. Joy is our strength actually. Always joy is your strength. Try to be joyful all the time. Don't be distract your joy from any kind of emotions. Speak good. Okay, so I think that was enough. Board, I think I got it instantaneously. I just spoke it. So thank you very much for inviting me. So I'm so happy at least you have arranged with your effort. That's why I want to encourage you. So I'm also created my time to be here, so that I can be happy to see you fellow people, all the people. Thank you very much. God bless you. Wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for taking the time and efforts and being with us.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your insightful words. Sometimes memories are sweeter when shared. Now I welcome a few of our seniors, or rather new doctors, to come up on stage and share their memories.
So first I would like to call upon Dr. Aida to speak a few words.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know me, my name is Aida, and it's an honor to be speaking with you here today. Before I start, I would like to thank all the respected teachers, administrators, and I want to thank my parents and my sister, who is more than a sister to me. Without their love and support, I wouldn't be here today. So congratulations to all the graduates, including me. We have done it. All the hard work has finally paid off, and we are all ready to take the next big step in life beyond college. This graduation has shown us how capable we all are of accomplishing our goals when we commit ourselves to them. I hope all of us here today can take this personal accomplishment as an example of how anything is truly possible when we put our minds to it. The most important lesson I have learned along this journey was to have faith. It's not gonna make your life easy. Faith doesn't make it easy. Faith makes it possible. On the days that I feel like I'm not gonna make it, on the days that I feel like I can't endure anymore, I think back on my track record for surviving all my bad days. And so far, surviving all my bad days, my track record is 100%. And last but not least, we have realized that we are the most attractive class ever. So let's give us a big round of applause. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you very, very, very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Aida. Dr. Aida has claimed the most attractive class is this batch.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Aida. We don't feel bad at all.
So next I would like to welcome Dr. Garu over to the stage to speak a few words.
He's been very eager to talk, so let's hand it over to him. And please remember, speech is like medicine. Too much of it kills, and a little bit of it cures.
Thank you everyone. Good afternoon, first of all. So my speech was supposed to be in Canada, but I didn't practice. But as of now, I will tell you like Ellaradu Namaskaram. Ellaradu Namaskaram. Tomba thanks for coming over here, and the first and last, the first and the most important, thanks should go to God, that, we all are going by the grace of God. We are living by the grace of God. We are, protected from everything. We are in a good health, good position because of God only. So now my accomplishment is just, nothing but God's grace. The second thing is like, obviously our management director, sir, for cooperating with us, like I remember when I was in B-Farm and, I just went to him and I asked him for something regarding the subjects, and I told him, sir, I want to do PG. And he's like, I told him like, sir, I don't know if you remember or not, but I do remember it like till now. So like, he told me, it's just, you have to have a belief, you have to write, answer all the questions, and study and prepare. If you have a goal, you have to work for it. So I worked for the goal, and I graduated from my B-Farm, and now I'm getting graduated from my family. So next is like Bala sir, like my favorite teacher. My second father, actually, I would rather call him my father, because like he wasn't just a doctor, not just a HOD. So like, regardless the formal, communication which we have in hospital, I always break the ice with him when I talk in Canada, and we'll be like, yan Savachara sir, and he'll be, gado, yan maga. So yeah, and obviously my colleagues, we have been pushing through all these 3 years together. You have been the best colleagues. I had a good colleagues in B-Farm actually, and I still have a good connection with so many of them. But this batch is totally different, Like when I came to Farm Day, I was like, my mind was zero knowledge. So I used to ask very complicated doubts, and people would be like, even some teachers sometimes may not even get my doubts. Still they used to try to understand what I'm trying to say, and they will try to clarify for me. And even sometimes when the teachers like misunderstand me or something, my colleagues used to explain for me very, very efficiently and very well. So I thank you all, and I thanks my juniors for conducting this event for us, and it's really honorable to have such juniors in our life, in our batch. And as you said, like the words are like, the speech is like a drug. The more it kills, but I don't think it's like it's manufactured drug. It's a natural drug. So the more will not even kill. So the more will just get some problems, but it won't kill you. Thank you so much for arranging everything, looking after everything, and supporting us, and sharing this moment with us actually. Thank you all so much, and a special thanks to my family back home. I really, it's so hard, but yeah, I really wish if they were here, but yeah, I know they are in a better place, so I'm thankful for everyone over here, and I'm very happy that, I stepped over here, and now I'm sure, they are in a better place than this world, but still they are very proud of me. I'm sure if God is giving chance to people under the grave to see what the life people are doing, I'm sure my parents will be very proud of me over here. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Gadu, for this lovely, heartfelt speech. Language is not a barrier for Dr. Gadu. He knows Kannada. He's learned Kannada after coming to Bangalore. He's learned Malayalam after having Malayali batchmates. But he's a man of many words. So sometimes we have God gives us a family, and sometimes we choose our family. We are all your family, Gadu. We are with you. We will support you throughout your journey. I hope you feel the same. Now on to the next person. She is a very sweet senior. She is known to be very silent and very versatile in doing her work. I now invite Dr. Shweta to come on the dais and share a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to congratulate everyone over here, including myself. I just want to take this moment to express my immense gratitude to everyone who supported me in this very long journey of 6 years. Thanks to my teachers, firstly my parents the most, then all the staff of KCP and BBH who have directly or indirectly helped us along this way. Thanks to my relatives and friends, and finally my best wishes to each one of you, and thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Shweta, for that sweet and short note. Now I invite Dr. Rubaina to please come up on stage. She is the topper of the class, a creative and artistically talented individual. Her art and craft speaks volumes about her.
Hello everyone. It's like really emotional for me. I love you all. I'm so blessed, you know. The time I came, I joined this college, I was like completely different person. But what I am now is different. You have encouraged me a lot of times. You have improved my English talks, everything. It's like really good for me. It's like really good to see you people all dressed up with so much makeup and all. It's really good, you know. Like I can't imagine myself without you people.
Dr. Rubaina, a few more words and I would have cried. We are your family, Dr. Rubaina. Please consider us as your family. We're always with you. We have learned so much from you. Without you as a senior, we wouldn't have learned how it is to be a good senior. Thank you, Dr. Rubaina, for this heartfelt words. I now invite the man who is known as the Jack of all trades by his classmates. Dr. Sharath, onto the dais, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sharath, who is excited to be called as Dr. Sharath from today. First of all, I'll thank my parents, my dad who has been my support, my mom also, she used to wake up at 4 o'clock, do all those things. Travel, I used to travel for 50 kilometers daily, but it didn't matter. 3 years, I didn't know where I was going, but after third year, I got hope that this PharmD degree would be a medal on me. My dad used to drop from home to here during exams. I used to sit behind and I used to revise before going to the exams. My mom, she has been with me during the admission time. Then she hasn't seen the college itself. That's the confidence and trust she has on me. And then my brother, if I don't tell about him, he'll kill me when I go home today. He has, he's helped me preparing all those things before I leave home. So I thank my brother and my friends, you all who has supported me. The short film, the director in me has come up because of you people only, or else no one would have known my potential or this thing. So I'll thank you all. My friends Raghutam, Rakshit and Shivlila, who has supported me all and who has put me forward to do many things in life. So I'll thank them also. And then how will I forget my professors and in the college. So they have given opportunities to me, uncountable opportunities actually. like to show my talent, to actually do the best. And then it's sad that like after in any time soon I might like forget the bus numbers to Hebbal from like to my home. So that's there, and I'm very eager to see my friends to grow to great heights in front of me. So everyone has to be in that great position, because that degree doctor has a very much weight besides our name. So like we have struggled, or we have done 6 years of hard work to get that. So we'll be strong, and we'll keep that degree. We'll keep the PharmD degree in the greater position in India also. India, people say that it's not designed for India also. I accept that, but we have to use it. We have to show our talent here, explore ourselves, so that PharmD is equal to MBBS or MD here also. So thank you for giving this opportunity to talk here. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Sharad. You are a very grounded person, that I understood through your speech. I now invite Dr. Vinushree. She is known as Miss Jovial. She is very courageous and, what can I say, a future author maybe, an alternative career.
First of all, good afternoon everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. I don't know, everyone told 6 long years. For me, it was not long years. Even my parents, they were really worried. 6 ವರ್ಷ ಇರ್ತೀಯಾ, ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. But it was really a smooth journey. 6 years just went off. Now I feel how I finished my 6 years. It was very fast. So first of all, I would like to congratulate everyone, all my friends, for this, what you have made today. 6 long years you have completed. Congratulations everyone. And the first person I would like to thank is my parents. My parents are here. It's my father and mother who are here for their support. It was their trust, hope and their sacrifices. It was not easy for my father. Still, yeah, he made it. He made me do it. It was all his trust. And secondly, I would like to thank all my staff. I was far away from home. So each and every moment that I wanted, all my friends, my hostel mates and my teachers, every time I needed them, they were there. I still remember in my 3rd year I went to Bala sir telling I want to write an article. He was surprised. You're in 3rd year, you're the first one coming in 3rd year who wants to write an article. He encouraged me. That was my first step to start something out of academics. Likewise, all my staffs, even director sir, I don't know, all my friends used to tell, sir is very strict, we cannot talk, maybe sir will not accept. But I don't know, maybe it was out of my luck. Whenever I went to him with something, for whatever I asked, he never said no to me. It was all that. Thank you so much sir for your support. Thank you all my friends, hostel mates and my parents for all your support. Thank you.
Thank you all for those lovely words that you guys shared. So right now you guys all shared your experiences and everything, and we could actually understand it through your words. So right now we'll be playing a small video clip. So we are going to rewind back and see visually all those 6 years, some of the few good moments that you guys had. So right now we'll be playing a video, and please enjoy the video.
Dum-dare, 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 dum-da, dum-dare, dum-dare, dare, dum-dum-dum. Dum-dare, 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 dum-da, dum-dare, dum-dare, dare, dum-dum-dum. यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Hi! When I heard you all say we are friends, I knew it was not just a phrase, but it was an emotion. 6 long years. I have seen you all undergo different phases of yourself. I still remember the day, the very first day, where you all were new to each other with no clue about any of you. You know, it brings a smile on my face when I recall your first conversations. It was so innocent. Hi, hello, where do you stay? Your native? Ah, nice place. It went on. From that innocence to this extreme naughtiness, I have witnessed your journey. It's not a new thing for me. I keep accommodating batches every year, but your batch is something very special for me. Because I've seen you all, from your smiles to loud laughters, gossips to truths, myths to facts, tears to cheers, and many more. You know, I have seen a sobber and a comedian in a single frame, best friends to the worst enemies. I have seen you all grow up. I'm gonna miss you, yaar. You know whom and all I'll be missing? The bossy Vinushree and the dazzling Gayatri, Sarah the beauty, Furuzan, my cutie, multilingual Gadu, the parlor Priya. You know what I miss the most is Ali Riza's visits, Pratyush's stories, Shweta's mood swings, and the Shrikant's flirtings. I miss Rubena's name being placed first in the rank list, and also Sharat's directing skills in all the fields. All-time branded Chandralekha, anytime 2 times faster Aziz. Dancing Abul Faz, outstanding Roshan. Ali Person's stadium talks, Ajay's sports spirit. Punching's biometry by Ida and Lida, Mariam's harkat, Shakiba's quietness. If you consider Farzan weird, what do you say for Jarish beard? The stylish icon Govind, and the center of attraction Muhammad, the crazy Pashupati and the perfect Hamid. And many more too. You may be wondering if I was spying you all these times. I love traveling with you along your path. Even when you had doubts regarding your ability, I still had hopes on your stability. I'm proud of you all that, in spite of getting thoughts of quitting many a times, you all have overcome all that and made it happen. You're all finally getting graduated today. A beautiful world is waiting for you to heal its miseries. Now it's time. Go, explore, enjoy. I'll stay here witnessing the upcoming batches. But still, remember, when I heard you all say we are friends, I knew it's not just a phrase, it's an emotion.
What a wonderful video. I cannot wait to have that on my graduation day. Now, on behalf of the farewell committee, represented by Atira, Srijana and Karma, we now present a small token of appreciation from us to you. Some gifts are small, some are big, but the gifts that come from the heart are the best. I invite Athira and Srijana to come on stage.
So, first of all, I'll be calling each one name by name. So, first of all, I would like to call a man who is known as the jack of all trades. This guy is so creative. I don't know if you just cut open his brain, what all creative things might be running through his brain. So first, yeah, you guys have already said the name. So first of all, I would like to invite Dr. Sharath over to the stage. I request Karma and Srijana and Athira to volunteer in helping. Yeah, can you all give a round of applause?
Next up, I would like to call Dr. Abdul Aziz Saleh Mohammad Adin. Although he has a long name, he is a man of few words. Silent and bright, he is a star in his own regard. Dr. Abdul Aziz is a God-fearing man who is fully aware that the greatest purpose in life is to serve others. Knowing very well his love for banana cake, we have one waiting for you at the end of this event.
Next up, we have a woman right here who is a dynamite. You tell her anything, she will do anything. You tell her to draw something, she will draw. You tell her to paint, you tell her to dance, you tell her to sing, anything. She is a multi-talented person. And no matter what kind of adjectives I use for this person, it won't be enough. So can you guys give a guess who is that gonna be? Yes, I would like to welcome Dr. Gayatri over to the stage. Next up, I would like to call a person who is known as a topper, but apart from her academic skills, she has a lot of other creative skills also. Okay, so can you guys guess who that person is going to be? Yes, I would like to welcome Dr. Rubaina over to the stage. Thank you. And next up, I would like to call a person who is known for her dancing skills. Okay, and she's a dynamite. She's a very active person. So at this time, I would like to welcome Dr. Shri Priya. Yes, over to the stage.
Next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Farzan Mazman to come up on stage. If looks can be deceiving was a person, it would be none other than Dr. Farzan. He is intelligent and quick to answer. Having a conversation with him will leave you feeling smarter than you actually are.
Next up, I would like to call a very sweet and a very charming and a very graceful person. That is Dr. Faruzan over to the stage. So next up, we would like to call a very enthusiastic person who can boost up anybody, no matter how depressed or sad you are. This person can boost you up. So I would like to call upon Dr. Shrikant over to the stage. Thank you. And next up, I would like to call a person who is a gentleman and who has a very unique way of speaking and convincing people. And he's also known as the ladies' charm. May I call Dr. Mohammed over to the stage.
It's on charge over there.
Dr. Aida. Dr. Aida Halimi, your curiosity for new experiences combined with your shy, introverted character is adorable and enchanting. You are one of the models of this batch. We wish that you experience life richly and that you have a healthy and successful future ahead. Dr. Govind Singh. They say there is no place on earth without a Singh. Dr. Govind Singh, your punctuality to leave the department is far more than your punctuality to join class on time. His devotion to his family sets an example to the rest of us waiting to get married. We will miss how approachable and patient you were with us, Govindji.
Next up, I would like to call a very silent person and who does any kind of work very calmly. No matter how hectic the work is or how difficult the work is, she can manage everything in a very sweet and calm manner. May I invite Dr. Shweta over to the stage. Next up, I would like to welcome a person who is a perfectionist and who is always punctual. And I think any parents would be proud to have a son like him. I would like to call Dr. Pashupati over to the stage.
Next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Upalapati Chandralekha. Sorry, doctor. She is known as the Miss Conservative of the class. When God made you, He made sure that you are a guiding light to all those you care for. Maturity and determination is what we admire you for. We will miss your serious yet approachable face, doctor. This person is known as the Ranveer Kapoor of this batch. If you're unaware, Ranveer Kapoor is the heartthrob of Bollywood. You definitely look the look and walk the walk. Your determination and your serious face is just a mask. We know that, doctor. Come on stage, Dr. Ali Parse.
Next up, I would like to call upon a very humble person, and he speaks multiple languages, and he is also known as the Google Translate. Can I invite Dr. Gadu, Dr. Gadu over to the stage? That's how I like to call him.
we have one of the model sisters of this class, Dr. Lida Halimi. You are the backbone to your loved ones. Like Dr. Ida said, you are more than a sister to her. A daring yet beautiful mind is what you are known for. The Halimi sisters are blessed with beauty and grit, a combination that is rare. We wish you a beautiful, healthy and successful life, Dr. Lida. Dr. Roshan Yadav, a fun-loving dude who's got his priorities straight, known for being outstanding, quite literally. We can't say we will miss you, but doctor, for the sake of this event, we will miss you.
Next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Ali Riza, who is a very adventurous and who's a very persistent person.
A very cute senior whose presence lights up the room. A fun-loving introvert who is never short of company. Dr. Shakiba, we are amazed at how you managed to survive 6 long years without getting any wrinkles.
Yeah, so next up I would like to call upon a very hardworking person, and he is very knowledgeable and he is ready to pour all his knowledge that he has to anybody, irrespective of who you are. Now I would like to welcome upon Dr. Pratyush over to the stage.
It's self-love or nothing for Dr. Abul Fazal Mehran. Being an excellent cook, he has an alternative career option already open for him. Creativity and innovation are only few of his talents. For the lack of time, we won't be listing all his talents. Don't mind us, Dr. Abul Fazal.
So next up, I would like to call a very courageous person who is so much into reading, and maybe she is upcoming author as well. So can I invite Dr. Vinishri over to the stage? And next up, I would like to call upon a person who is known as a perfectionist. I would like to call upon Dr. Hamid over to the stage.
Last but definitely not the least, we have the class rep who is here. It is because of him that this event is holding its glitz and glamour. He is a man of few words sometimes. You are hardworking and practical. You definitely know how to balance and make the right choices. Your love for photography is why we have many memories documented. To us, you are a breath of fresh air, always helpful and telling us what mistakes to make. We will miss you dearly, Dr. Jerish. Thank you for teaching us what it is to be a good senior.
Thank you. And next up, I would like to call upon a very charming person who is very dedicated and very dependable and very helpful to everybody. May I invite Dr. Sara over to the stage.